1/2 cup tomato paste, 1 teaspoon each of pink salt and pepper. Add 2 kilogram diced pork. Cook it a bit before adding the 2 cups water. Then simmer it for 40 minutes, covered. When almost dry, add the 2 diced carrots. Add also 1 diced green capsicum. Add 1/2 cup crushed pineapple, 5 tablespoons diced pickles. Add also 1 tablespoon vegetable seasoning. Cook further until the liquid is gone. Add 1 cup of any kind of cheese. Then set aside to warm. Line llanera with wax paper and decorate. Cut the sides of carrots to make it and slices to make it like a flower. Use the raisin to decorate as well, but you can just add it on the dish. Maybe about 1/4 cup. And put also sliced red capsicum as decoration. When already warm, add 7 beaten eggs and 3 cups panko breadcrumbs. Cover the llanera and steam it for 30 minutes. Scrape the side of the llanera to unmold. And it's done.